such a good idea, Victoria. Thanks.
Yes, of course. I am a Dallas girl, so I've grown up around this area, and I thought it would be fun to take my 2 out-of-towners here today to try out this new salon with me.
We are here for some facials.
I try to at least treat myself every 3 months, but it doesn't really work out that way because there's just not enough time.
Do you want the blanket on your leg?
Kelsey, you and Kat just moved in together, right?
Yes, best roommate ever.
Yeah, she's okay.
Okay.
Just kidding, you're fantastic.
Guys, we're halfway through training camp.
I know.
I mean, we still have 4 cuts.
Yeah.
Kelsey.
That's me.
Yay! Like, I forget the moves because I get so nervous still. I get so freaking nervous because I'll get in my head and it takes like, and I think seconds.
Last year, at the last week, that's when I started getting into my head.
Yeah.
And this is when you cannot get into your head.
No.
Glowing, my love.
Go ahead and beautify me, please.
For show group auditions, being back on a stage was fun.
Yes. I honestly, there were so many talented veterans, I didn't even expect show group.
Yeah. I know it's really hard to make show group as a rookie, so I feel like we do have to step up our game just to prove to them that they made the right decision.
Yes, it can easily be taken away.
I have gotten super overwhelmed lately because I have to study for my nursing boards. See, I'm planning on it. I'm hoping for the best, but
You're gonna be such a great nurse.
oh, thank you.
I can totally
Thank
see you do it.
Really?
See the skin, it's glowing.
Thank you so much again.
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
It's crazy. We all walked out feeling so refreshed. Now it is back to the grind to go practice.
Thank you guys so much for having us.
Thank you.